Penny stock market is about to explode because of these two stocks. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss stocks that investors are doing deep DD and saying this stock can hit $1 a share. But before we further proceed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. For now, let's get back into the video. Firstly, we're going to talk about HCMC, Health Choices Management Corp. Those of you who don't know what HCMC is, Healthier Choices Management Corp is a US-based publicly traded company specializing in providing consumers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. HCMC owns an intellectual property suite comprised of patents issued in both the United States and Canada. These patents have a primary focus on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate and hopes to expand this suite in the future. Most recently, the company formed a wholly owned subsidiary, HCMC Intellectual Property Holdings, LLC, to hold and market its intellectual property assets. This subsidiary will own all of the patents, trademarks, and other intellectual property of HCMC and will be utilized in the company's attempt to monetize its intellectual property. Under its other wholly owned subsidiaries, Healthy Choice Markets and Healthy Choice Markets 2, HCMC owns both Ada's Natural Market and 18,000 square foot full-service grocery stores serving the Fort Myers, Florida, and 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition locations in the greater Melbourne, Florida area. Serving their respective local communities, our stores provide all natural and organic products in a friendly and helpful atmosphere, with aisles of traditional grocery complete with frozen, healthy home, vitamins and supplements, health and beauty, fresh produce, hormone and antibiotic-free meats, and bulk foods. Ada's also offered chef-prepared, ready-to-go foods, a 100% organic juice and smoothie bar, a free trade coffee bar with fresh-baked daily baked goods from a local artisan baker, and our flagship Greenleaf Grill fast casual in-store restaurant. Healthier choices extend past just healthy eating. With that, Healthier Choices Management Corp, through its 9 owned vape stores across the southeast United States, offers smokers an alternative to traditional cigarettes. Operating regionally through its vape store brands including the Vape Store, Vapor Max, Vulcan Vape, and the Grab Bag locations, our vape stores provide an endless selection of industry-best vaping hardware and e-liquids, giving our consumers a way to get their nicotine without the smoke, tar, ash, or carbon monoxide found in traditional cigarettes. The company also operates Ada's Natural Market, a natural and organic grocery store, through its wholly owned subsidiary, Healthy Choice Markets Inc., and Paradise Health and Nutrition, stores that offer fresh produce, bulk foods, vitamins and supplements, packaged groceries, meat and seafood, deli, baked goods, dairy products, frozen foods, health and beauty products, and natural household items through its wholly owned subsidiary, Healthy Choice Markets 2, LLC. The company also sells vitamins and supplements on the Amazon.com marketplace through its wholly owned subsidiary, Healthy You Wholesale Inc. The company markets its Q-Cup technology under the vaping segment. This patented technology is based on a small quart cup called the Q-Cup, which a customer can purchase already filled by a third party in some regions, or can partially fill themselves with either cannabis or CBD concentrate, approximately 50 milligrams, also purchased from a third party. The Q-Cup can then be inserted into the patented Q unit, which heats the cup from the outside without coming in direct contact with the solid concentrate. This Q-Cup and Q-Unit technology provides significantly more efficiency and an on-the-go solution for consumers who prefer to vape concentrates either medically or recreationally. The Q cup can also be used in other devices as a convenient micro-dosing system. Constantly looking to expand into areas that provide consumers amazing products that promote personal betterment to one's lifestyle, HCMC is positioning itself as a leader in healthy living. On February 8th, they announced an equity capital raise through the sale in a private placement of $5 million on the Series D preferred stock to certain institutional investors. The Series D preferred stock is convertible into HCMC common stock at an initial conversion price of 24 cents, a 150% premium to its last market closing price on Friday, February 5, 2021, of 16 cents. The conversion price is subject to certain downward adjustments, including when the conversion shares are registered for resale or may be sold under Rule 144. As further described in the company's Form 8-K filed as of the date hereof. Jeff Holman, CEO of HCMC, said, "Led by our largest single large-term investor, HCMC has received an equity investment from a group of international investors, with the convertible preferred stock being issued with an initial conversion price of 24 cents, a 150% premium to our last market close. This show of confidence in the company's fundamentals, IP asset, and prospects moving forward is inspiring," said Mr. Holman. Also concluded, "We remain committed to enforcing our intellectual property rights in the form of our patents against all infringements. This again applies to the tobacco industry as well as the cannabis industry." Our next stock is Nano Dimension, NNDM. Nano Dimension Limited, together with its subsidiaries, provides additive electronics in Israel and internationally. Its flagship product is the proprietary Dragonfly Lights Out digital manufacturing system, a precision system that produces professional multi-layer circuit boards, radio frequency antennas, sensors, conductive geometries, and molded connected devices for prototyping through custom additive manufacturing. The company also provides nanotechnology-based conductive and dielectric inks and Dragonfly and Switch software to manage the design file and printing process. It markets and sells products and services to companies that develop products with electronic components, including companies in the defense, automotive, consumer electronics, semiconductor, aerospace, and medical industries, as well as research institutes. The company was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Nes Zion, Israel. Shares of Nano Dimension, NASDAQ NNDM, rose 51% in January, according to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence. The 3D printing technology specialist has been crushing the market over the last year, but trading of its stock also had to be halted late in the month due to high levels of volatility. What comes next? Nano Dimension provides 3D printing machines and services tailored to additive manufacturing of semiconductors and high-end electronic components. The new approach to chip manufacturing and modification opens opportunities for rampant chip creation and testing, and signs of momentum for the adoption of the Israeli-based company's technologies have prompted explosive stock gains. Nano Dimension has been raising funds through share offerings, and it completed a direct offering of 35 million shares last month in a sale that raised $332.5 million. The company's outstanding share count has surged over the last year, and the combination of new offerings and a big appreciation for the share price have pushed Nano Dimension's market capitalization up roughly 35,600% over the last 12 months. Nano Dimension's promising technology and incredible valuation surge have set the stage for volatility. The company's trading was briefly halted on January 25th in response to a steep sell-off, but the company still closed out the month with impressive gains. On a preliminary basis, Nano Dimension reported unaudited revenue of approximately $3,400,000 for the year ended December 31, 2020, approximately $990 million of cash reserves, and no debt as of January 31, 2021. The above information reflects preliminary estimates concerning certain results of Nano Dimension for the year ended December 31, 2020, based on currently available information. Because the audit is not yet complete, Nano Dimension's final results may vary from the preliminary estimates. Yoav Stern, President and Chief Executive Officer, remarked, "As I have commented in my quarterly results conference calls since May 2020, as well as in presentations to dozens of new investors during the 8 capital raising transactions totaling $1 billion since May 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic affected the sales of our Dragonfly LDM systems in 2020. I stated publicly that revenue in 2020 could be close to zero. Therefore, I am pleased with our results. Our customers and prospects have been subjected to travel and capital expense restrictions, as well as limitations on visits of our engineers for sales, installations, and support. Acquiring breakthrough technologies has not been a priority for buyers struggling with a tsunami event like COVID-19. Mr. Stern added, "I was positively surprised during H2 2020 as our revenue was much higher than I expected, reflecting the following 5 upward trends. 1. A large number of upgrades of the older Dragonfly Pro into our next generation system, the 24/7 Dragonfly LDM, which is indicative of the high level of customer satisfaction and their continued utilization of our machines. Approximately 70% of our Dragonfly Pro customers have upgraded their machines. 2. Revenue boosted by our recurring revenue model, which includes the selling of dielectric and conductive materials, inks, used by the Dragonfly LDM for 3D printing. 3. Strong initial sales of our new Nano S, Nano services of proof of concept prototyping printing of high PEDs, high-performance electric devices, for prospective customers who may have purchased our systems, but who instead paid us for services as a result of the stagnation of their capital expenses due to COVID-19. 4. Reoccurring revenues from customers with annual services and support agreements. 5. Sales to Pacific Rim customers who recovered earlier from the COVID-19 pandemic and started to buy machines in November 2020. Dragonfly LDM was sold to an Academy of Engineering Physics, as well as 2 other customers in the APAC region. Mr. Stern concluded, COVID-19 is still in full force in Europe and the US. Our working assumption is that once it phases out, we should experience a slingshot effect on sales as a result of the removal of restrictions on capital spending, supplier visits, and travel by our customers and prospects. In preparation for this stage, we have planned an aggressive go-to-market strategy supported by our cash reserves. That's it for today, guys. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about these 2 stocks. Are they even worth buying in 2021? Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll bring you some more videos like this in the future. Until then, goodbye.